In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check stock in Odoo. We'll walk through a simple process that lets you quickly see how much of each product you have on hand directly from your Odoo dashboard. This is really useful for anyone managing inventory, whether you're tracking a small catalog of products or handling a larger warehouse setup. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account and that you have access to the inventory app. From your main Odoo dashboard, look for the inventory icon. It usually appears alongside your other applications like sales, purchases, or accounting or tsang. Go ahead and click on inventory. This will take you into the main inventory workspace where all your stock operations are managed. Once you're inside the inventory app, you'll see a menu bar near the top of the screen. In this menu, find the option labeled Reporting. The reporting section is where Odoo gathers and displays useful analytics and summaries related to your inventory. Move your mouse to that menu and click on Reporting. After clicking Reporting, a drop-down or a list of available reports will appear. From this list, locate the option called Stock. This is a specific report that shows you the current stock levels for your products. Click on Stock to open the stock report. When the stock report loads, you'll see a detailed overview of your inventory. Depending on your configuration, this might appear as a list, a pivot table, or a graphical view. Each line or row corresponds to a product or a product variant, and you'll be able to see how many units are available, reserved, or on hand in your different locations. Take a moment to look at the filters and groupings at the top of the page. You can adjust these to refine what you're seeing, such as filtering by warehouse or by product category. This doesn't change your data, it just changes how it's displayed, which can make it easier to answer specific questions like what's available in a particular stock location. If you need a more detailed breakdown, you can usually click on a product line to drill down and see the underlying stock moves or the locations where those quantities are stored. And that's all you need to check your stock in Odoo. Open the inventory app, go to reporting, and then select stock. From there, you have a powerful overview of your current inventory levels, ready to review or export as needed.